Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Pokegemzart. Guys, today we are going to be drawing this super easy step-by-step 3D staircase. Guys, I'm going to show you what materials to use, how to measure it, how to color it. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash that notification bell. That way you guys won't miss out on any future drawings and future videos that we do together. Alright guys, this one we're going to start by drawing a line. Guys, if you see, I'm using graph paper. The first line is going to be 26 cubes across. Now, I chose to use graph paper for this one because sometimes it's a little bit easier to measure. So we'll do 26 cubes across, 6 cubes up. So far, super easy. Then you're going to come across 10 cubes, mark that point. Then what you'll do from that point is you'll come 2 up and 2 across, and then again 2. So almost making like a little triangle there. And then come down 12 lines there. So you'll see those points there. And the reason why I make those points, guys, with pencil is because then it makes it so much easier, because all you have to do then is basically connect the lines. And as you guys know from previous art projects, I almost always, not always, but almost always start out every art project with pencil, just because it is so much easier to erase, so much easier to correct anything that you might have messed up, because, you know, at the end we're going to use marker, but if we started with marker now and we look back and one of the lines is wrong, well, there would be no way to go back. So I love to start out with pencil. Now this one here, check this out guys, we're going to make a little curve, almost like a little dome or a little curve. That's it. And there's no wrong way to do it, guys. So if you want to pause your video, this is the time to pause it, because right here is your basic shape. Next thing we're going to do is draw a line straight down, and then basically what you're going to do is, as you watch this video, you're going to almost make as if like a staircase coming down on the right, and then a staircase coming down on the left. So go ahead and feel free to watch the video. I'm not going to talk now for the next minute or two, and follow along basically drawing this staircase here. That's it. That was quick. Yes, so we went over it with the marker, speeded it up a little bit. Now let's do some coloring. Alright guys, these top sections here, this section and then the one on the other side, we're going to color with a gray marker. Now you want to stay in the lines. You don't have to use a gray marker. I feel that this really shows off the best. You can technically do it with black. You can kind of darken it in with your pencil also. So use whatever materials you have. Even if you have paint, if you have crayons, if you have colored pencils, basically, because when we're done with our staircase, this little section at the end is going to be kind of the inside of the staircase. So picture when you're looking down the staircase and you see kind of the area with no light, kind of that dark area. That's what this is going to be once we're done with our geometric optical illusion here. Alright, so that's it for the dark gray. Now the next thing we're going to do, we can use a couple materials here. I'm going to go ahead and use the charcoal pencil because it gives me kind of a lighter gray color. And then basically what you're going to do is, starting from the left, you're going to charcoal or light gray in every other section. So as you see, I'm basically coloring in every other section. Now what I could do, I'm not going to do it on this project, but what I could do technically is smear it or smudge it like I do on some other videos, just to give it more of a lighter gray color. But I'm going to choose to leave it like this. It's supposed to look like wood. It's an old wooden staircase. Let's leave it the way it is. Alright, the next step is super important. You're going to find once you're in the middle of the page, you're going to go ahead and you're going to fold your paper in half. So you're going to fold it. Sometimes you can start with one side of the paper just to find where your middle section is, and then you can turn it over and fold it on the other side. Make yourself like a little crease there, turn it over and fold it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take that, lean that on a 90-degree angle against a wall or something, move your camera away. And now, is that an optical illusion or what? Check that out. It literally looks like there's a staircase coming from one paper to the other. Hey, if you guys like that video, if you want to see any other awesome art videos, check out my TikToks. We post there every single day. Pokegemz on TikTok and Instagram. Check out my website, guys, pokegemz.com. And if you still haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one.